Hello everybody, and this is Fahad, and this video is about how to use the distinct keyword in your MySQL. What it does, I'll be telling you later. So in the last video, we have learned about how to select the columns from your table, alright, so the multiple columns or single column or the all columns together. In this video, we'll be using the distinct keyword. Okay, what does this distinct keyword is doing? That it will only give you the unique values from the column. Alright, so let me just select all the column first. Alright, now you can see that in the continent column we have the lot of duplicate values, the North America here and here and here and here and all the other the continents, Europe and Europe. So we have the same values again and again. We are using the same values again and again in the column. But what if I just want to have only the unique values? I just want to know how many unique values my column have. So what you can do for that is all you need to write is to write the distinct keyword. Alright, now what you need to do here is to write the name of the column. You want to have the unique the values. I want to have my continent because I just want to know how many unique values my continent the column have. So let me just run this code and it will only give you the distinct values or the unique values of your column. Alright, so let me just write another column as well. So now you can see that we have this in-depth here. We have a lot of null values here. You can see here we have a lot of null values and other values as well. I just want to see how many the unique values my in-depth year column have. So what you need to do, all the same thing, distinct, alright, and name of the column, which is in-depth year, alright, and run the code and bingo, it will work fine. Now you can see that we have the less values, okay, and the null value that we're repeating again and again, we only have a single null value, and obviously we will be having the other duplicate values. But using the distinct keyword, you can delete all the duplicate rows or the duplicate values from your column. It just helps you to show the unique values of your column. So this is all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.